Hi everyone. If you have a computer and an Android device, transferring photos between them isn't always straightforward. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily transfer photos from your Android device to a Mac computer as an example. Let's get started. First, launch DroidKit on your computer and choose Device Manager mode under the Data Manager function. And click Start button to continue the process. Connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable, and make sure USB debugging is enabled on your Android device. DroidKit will automatically detect your device. Once detected, you'll see your device connected successfully interface. Click Start button to wait for the data to load. After the loading process, you'll see the total number of photos available. If the Photos icon shows empty, it means there are no photos on the device. Select the photos you want to transfer and click the To Mac button. Then, you can make settings before exporting. After that, please click Continue button. The transfer will start, and the time it takes will vary depending on the size of the data. Please be patient. Once the process is complete, you'll see the Transfer Completed interface. To locate the exported photos on your computer, click the View Files option. Thanks for your watching. That's all. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.